Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with Supersize Your Business. I call this one Time for a Change Part 2 because we're going to talk about 15 ways that change is good for us and in turn to help us supersize and grow our business. As I was researching time for a change, that idiom, that expression that's been around for hundreds and hundreds of years since time has been measured, I found a great list of 15 different ways that change is good for us. Now, I'm big on change and challenges and the positive aspects of lessons learned from that, but I thought this was a good list to share, and then you can draw your own conclusions and share in the comments below what are the benefits, in your opinion, to changing, because how does change and how do change and challenges help you to grow and become a better person and therefore supersize and grow your business. I contend that our business will only grow as big as we are able to expand and become as a leader of that organization. Let's see what these things mean to you. Number one, change increases our strength and it makes us more emotionally powerful. It gives us access to more emotions. More changes, more challenges we face and overcome, the stronger we become. Secondly, it increases our flexibility and our willingness to accept different situations. One thing about running a business and growing a business, things change all the time. And if we are fixed in our way and not open to flowing and changing with the times, we will find ourselves struggling, having more challenges and creating more problems for ourselves than we can even imagine. Thirdly, change causes us to look for new innovations and better solutions to problems. Change helps us to have hope for the future and different situations, and helps us to realize there are tons of opportunities for us to change and grow and progress and create the business that we want to create. It shows us that bad times don't last forever. Change shows us that when we make internal changes, we can actually become a better person and achieve our goals and objectives. Change helps us to bring on a sense of security and reason to live with zest and with vigor and energy, and to put that zest, vigor, and energy into the things that we're trying to create, generally our businesses and our relationships. Change heals all wounds. Just like time, change allows us to see that things don't stay the same forever and that wounds, just like everything else, heal. Bad times don't last. That's another one of them as well. It refreshes our attitude toward life and we become more humble, some of us, and more grateful. That's one of the good aspects of changes and challenges. It helps us to break our everyday routines and think outside the box and discover new things, new ways of looking at everyday situations that can help us to supersize and grow our business. Change brings adventure and excitement to life. It helps us to get rid of the monotony of life. If every day were the same, if every day were Groundhog Day, think of that movie Groundhog Day and how boring that is to live the same day over and over and over again. Yet many of us set ourselves up in our lives and our businesses, so we are literally living Groundhog Day. We're on that treadmill of living the same day, serving the same people over and over and over again. So change allows us to mix things up and have more fun in life. Change allows us to overcome sadness, gloom, and change our emotions. Change allows us to replace old things with new things, find new innovative solutions to problems that we maybe have had for a really long time. Change affords us opportunities to improve the quality of our life, quality of our business, the way we live, the way we achieve things, the way we earn. It allows us to update and change and create new innovations for our businesses and for the people that we serve. And change allows us to move forward in life and to experience new and exciting things. So those are just some of the things that change affords us. To me, change and challenges are the stepping stones for everything we want to create in our life and in our business. So share in the comments below, what are some of the advantages you have found from changes and challenges in your life and especially in your business, so we can help one another to grow. That's it. Have an awesome day. We'll have another time-related idiom tomorrow for Supersize Your Business. If there's a time-related idiom you would love to know the origin, the meaning, and the application of when it comes to growing and building our business, hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Bye.